Welcome back, guys, to another episode of XanTech. If you're a gamer like myself, then you're going to want your computer to be running as smooth as possible with no interruptions or lag spikes or anything like that. So in today's episode, I will be showing you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, where do we start? Let's start with Storage Sense. Click Start, then go to Settings, then here click on System, and then here Storage. Then over here set this tab to On. Next, we're going to keep Windows running smoothly by setting up a cleanup schedule. You do this by clicking the Storage Sense tab. Make sure to check this box under Cleanup of Temporary Files. Next, under Automatic User Content Cleanup, set this tab to On. Now to configure the cleanup schedules, under here where it says Run Storage Sense, I have mine to set to every day, but you can do that to every 14 days and that should be sufficient. And here where it says delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over 1 day is what I choose to go for, but again, that's down to personal preference. Now I like to delete my downloads folder items when I feel like it. I don't let the computer decide, but again, if you want it to be deleted every 24 hours or every 7 days, you can select that here. You can keep this page open and click here where it says Gaming. Then click here on Game Mode and switch this tab to On. Then go back to Gaming and this time click on Game Bar. And we want this one set to Off. Next, we'll be de-animating Windows a little bit. So click your Start button and in the search box type in Adjust. Now click here where it says Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. This will bring you to the Performance Options window. Now here under the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance. Then go ahead and check the boxes that say Show Thumbnails instead of icons and Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. And now click Apply. Now click the Advanced tab and make sure Programs is selected and then click OK. Now it's time to change some mouse settings. So once again, click on your Start button, then in the search box type in Mouse Settings. Click to open. Then down here, click the Additional Mouse Settings tab. Then click Pointer Options. Then uncheck the box that says Enhance Pointer Precision. You definitely don't need this, this just makes things worse. Once you've done that, click Apply, then OK. Next, we'll change some notification settings. So once again, click your Start button, then click Settings, then click System. Now click the Notifications tab and set this to Off. Next up, press the Windows key plus R. In the box that pops up, type in the word temp and click OK. That will open up a folder containing all of your Windows temporary files. Press Ctrl A to select everything. Then either right click and select Delete or press Delete on your keyboard. After pressing Delete, you might get this little pop-up box that says the action cannot be completed because a folder or file is open in another program. In that case, check this box that says do this for all current items and then click on Skip. Now one more time, press the Windows key plus R. This time type in the percentage symbol, the word temp, and then % again. Then click OK. In the page that pops up, these are more temporary files, so hit Ctrl A to select everything. Then again, either right click and select the little rubbish bin icon or press Delete on your keyboard. Then again, it's okay if some files cannot be removed, just check the Do Not Do This for All Current Items box and click Skip. And then once again, press the Windows key plus R. This time you'll be typing in prefetch. Then hit OK. You might get a little box that says you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Just click OK. And just like that, you're in. And by now you know the procedure. Control A to select everything. Then right click, rubbish bin, or delete on your keyboard to get rid of all the files. Once again, check the box that says do this for all current items and press skip. Another thing worth doing is removing all unused apps. So for this, click your Start button, then on Settings, then on Apps. And now click on Installed Apps. Now here, at your own pace and leisure, just go through all of the apps that you have installed on your computer and look for any apps or programs that you are not currently using that have been there for a while. And you can click the little 3 dots and choose uninstall. This way you'll just free up any valuable space that you have on your computer for items that you actually will use and need. Now once again, here on the left, click on Apps and then click Startup. Here you will be greeted with all the apps and programs that run each time you boot up your computer. Take your time, go through the list and check all the programs that you absolutely don't need running with your computer, and then switch these settings to off. This way you'll free up system resources and speed up your boot times. If you do end up needing one of these apps later on once your computer is on, just locate them in your start menu, load them up, and they will work as they usually do. Next, click Start, then Settings, then Privacy and Security. Then here under Windows Permissions, click the General tab and go ahead and turn all of these tabs to off. Now once again, back to the Privacy and Security tab, click on Speech and set this one to off as well. Then once again we go back to Privacy and Security. This time click here under Diagnostics and Feedback. Under Diagnostic Data, set this tab to off. Now we're on to the last few steps here. Click the Start button and in the search box type in CMD. Then right click and select Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Then type in the following command: DISM /online /cleanup-image /check health. Then go ahead and press enter. Your computer will now check for any data corruption. If it does encounter any problems, it will fix them automatically, so no need to worry. And don't close the command prompt just yet. Instead, this time type in SFC /scan now. This next check will scan the integrity of your OS files on the PC. This one will take a little bit longer than the last one, but should also go without a hitch. If it does find any issues, once again, they'll be fixed automatically. Once that's done, you can type in exit and hit enter, or just close the box by clicking the X in the top right corner. And to finish up, once again, click your Start button and in the search box type in Edit Power Plan. Click to open the power plan settings. Now click here where it says Change Advanced Power Settings. You have a few options here. Balanced is a good setting for those of you on mid to high-end computers. If, however, you're one of those on a low-end machine, then you can go ahead and select the high performance option. Once you've done that, click on Apply, then OK to close. Well, there you go, guys. That's just a few of my favorite tips and tricks to help optimize Windows 11 for gaming. If I've missed anything, or if there's anything that you guys would like to add, something that you do to speed up your system, post it down in the comments below. I'll take a look at it and maybe do a follow-up. So until next time, as always, take care.